In 2024, travelers age 60 plus represented nearly 37% of all U.S. flyers. Many seniors, 52%, even rank travel as their top leisure expense. With 61% of seniors planning only U.S. trips, the domestic airline experience matters more than ever. The following 11 tips backed by expert advice and statistics will help older adults fly safely, comfortably, and confidently. Number 1. Book smart. When possible, reserve non-stop flights to avoid stressful layovers. Direct flights cut down on rushing between gates and reduce the chance of missed connections. Also, pick an aisle seat or extra legroom seat. An aisle seat makes it easier to get up frequently, stretch, or reach the restroom without disturbing neighbors. On long flights, seniors with circulation issues should especially consider exit row or bulkhead seats for extra legroom. By booking wisely up front, you make the flight itself much more comfortable. Number 2. Arrive early and use airport assistance. Give yourself plenty of time at the airport. Senior Care recommends arriving well ahead of departure, often 2+ hours before a domestic flight. Early arrival means less rushing and more time to handle any special needs. If walking long distances is hard, request a wheelchair or electric cart. Most major U.S. airports offer free mobility assistance when you ask. Even if you don't normally need one, using a wheelchair through a large terminal can save energy and anxiety. If a family member is escorting you, get a gate pass at ticketing so they can go through security with you. In practice, inform your airline or ticket agent in advance, allow extra time, and take advantage of any free help. It greatly reduces stress. Number 3. Use TSA PreCheck and senior screening. Expedited screening programs like TSA PreCheck and CLEAR can be game changers. A 2025 survey found roughly 1 in 4 travelers pays for PreCheck or Clear, and 89% of them say it was worth the cost. PreCheck lets you keep on shoes, light jackets, and leave laptops and liquids in your bag. That's a real perk. After a July 2025 rule change, shoes stay on for everyone, but laptops and liquids still stay packed only in PreCheck. Best of all, U.S. policy now generally grants seniors 75+ equivalent privileges. Passengers age 75 and older are typically allowed through the PreCheck line without enrolling. In practice, this means a 75+ traveler usually does not need to remove shoes, belt, or light jacket and can breeze through the expedited lane. Seniors who fly even once a year should check PreCheck or Clear eligibility. The time savings alone justify the investment. Number 4. Call TSA Cares and plan for special screening. If you have any disabilities, medical conditions, or special needs, call TSA Cares at least 72 hours before your flight. TSA Cares provides individualized help with screening. Agents can explain what to expect and arrange extra assistance at the checkpoint. For example, caregivers note that passengers 75+ get extra passes through imaging machines and don't have to remove shoes or light jackets. TSA's own guidelines emphasize patience and support for seniors. By using TSA Cares, you can often get a private search area, more time at the X-ray machine, and guidance that keeps you moving smoothly. Remember, this is a free official service. Don't hesitate to use it. Number 5. Pack medications and documents in your carry-on. Nearly 9 in 10 older Americans take regular medications, so make sure yours never leave your sight. Pack all prescriptions and medical essentials in your carry-on bag. Leave pills in their original labeled containers and bring a doctor's note listing conditions and dosages if helpful. This avoids any confusion if TSA officers screen your meds. Importantly, TSA rules allow extra medication liquids. Pills, syringes, insulin, and other medical liquids are exempt from the 3.4-ounce limit. Just declare them at security for screening. Also carry your medical records or vaccination card if needed. Keeping everything with you prevents being stranded without vital medicine if checked luggage is delayed or lost. Number 6. Stay hydrated and move. During the flight, aircraft cabins have very low humidity, often below 20%, so seniors are prone to dehydration. Drink water frequently and limit caffeine or alcohol, which can dry you out. Also, aging bodies are at higher risk for deep vein thrombosis on long flights. Combat this by walking or stretching often. Every hour or so, get up to stroll down the aisle if you can. At your seat, do ankle circles and calf raises in place. Compression socks can also boost circulation. These simple measures of water and movement greatly reduce swelling, dizziness, and DVT risk. Number 7. Bring comfort. Items and dress in layers. Pack a few extras for onboard comfort. A travel neck pillow or small blanket can make a big difference in a cramped seat. Noise-canceling headphones or earplugs will block engine noise and chatter. Wear loose, comfortable clothing and slip-on shoes. Layer your outfit. Airplane cabins often fluctuate between warm and cold. Having a light sweater or scarf means you can adjust if it's chilly and pack it away if not. Remember, ease and comfort can help older passengers rest and relax on the flight. Number 8. Visit your doctor and update vaccines. Talk with your doctor well before the trip. Get a checkup 4 to 6 weeks out to ensure you're fit to fly and to adjust any medications as needed. Discuss any chronic issues that might affect you on a plane. Make sure routine vaccines are up to date. Seniors should be current on flu, pneumococcal pneumonia, shingles, and COVID-19 shots as advised. Carry printed copies of your immunization records and a summary of medical conditions. If you use supplemental oxygen or other medical devices, coordinate with the airline in advance. By starting at the doctor's office, you can prevent many health issues that might crop up during travel. Number 9. Confirm insurance and emergency plans. Even for domestic trips, check your insurance coverage. Know whether your Medicare or health plan covers you out of network or in other states. The CDC recommends verifying medical coverage and considering travel health insurance for emergencies. Emergency evacuation insurance might seem extreme for the U.S., but it can pay off if an accident occurs far from home. Also, leave contact details and itinerary copies with a trusted friend or family member. That way, someone knows where you are and how to reach you. Having backup plans means surprises like storms or cancellations won't derail you. Number 10. Keep valuables and memories safe. Older travelers can be targets for theft or scams. The NCOA warns that older adults are targets for theft and fraud, so take precautions. At the airport and hotels, use security measures. Store passports, extra cash, and jewelry in a hotel safe. Keep daily cash and credit cards concealed. Be mindful of pickpockets in crowded areas. Avoid flaunting expensive electronics or wearing flashy jewelry. Also protect your information. Don't post detailed travel plans on social media. Finally, carry copies of your ID and insurance. If you misplace your purse, these details will help you recover quickly. Number 11. Take it easy and enjoy the trip. Seniors often try to pack too much into a vacation. Remember that travel can be tiring. Once you've arrived, plan for some rest days or slow-paced activities. Break up tours with coffee breaks or short naps. Give yourself time to adjust. By staying relaxed and patient, you actually reduce stress on your body. As Senior Care puts it, leave time to relax and adjust. Keep in mind that countless older adults fly every year without incident. With good planning and these insider tips, you can join them in traveling confidently. Air travel for seniors doesn't have to be daunting. With a bit of advanced planning, choosing the right flights and seats, arranging assistance, and managing health, you can make flying smoother and safer. By following these 11 tips and using the resources available, older travelers can hit the skies with confidence. Start planning early, pack smart, and you'll be on your way to an enjoyable journey.